Hey you and welcome to this video, and today I will show you or give you a honest review right here about TradingView and MetaTrader 5 right there. And I used both, and to be honest, they're both completely different, and I will tell you today which one you need to use if you want to do what you want to do. So let's start with the main purposes, and I wrote some things down so I can tell you exactly in 5 steps what are the difference between those. But the main purpose right here for TradingView is for charting and analysis, because if you can see right here, TradingView has one of the best analysis system on the world. It's one of the most used analysis system for people. Almost everyone is trading right here in TradingView if you want to do charting and analysis. And MetaTrader 5 right here is more for quick trade execution. So if you want to do more with analysis, I recommend you to use TradingView. Then the charts, like I said, if you look like this, look to this, you see that the chart is not that nice. It's very strange in my opinion. It's a normal chart, but with different colors, a lot of boxes, and you don't have nice painting options. Yeah, you have here a few, but not that much. And if you go right here to TradingView, you see that we can paint or taking lines real quick. It's very easy to use if you want to make nice drawings. So the charts right here are a lot better, maybe the best in industry, than on MetaTrader 5. So this is also a big difference. Then right here, if you go to automation, on TradingView it's a little bit limited, and on MetaTrader 5 you have full bots. So if you want to do something with automatic trades or trade bots, then I recommend you to use MetaTrader 5. Then right here, there are two differences, because TradingView is very easy to use, because if you want to use TradingView, you go to the web, 2 clicks, and you are right here in TradingView. If you want to use MetaTrader 5, you need to download MetaTrader 5, connect it to a trading account, and it's a more desktop option. So if you want to trade like in an application, you can use MetaTrader 5. And if you want to trade on the web, easy on the web, you can use TradingView. That is my opinion. Then right here, the last option is the community. And TradingView has a big community with a lot of traders. It's easy to reach out. And MetaTrader 5 is a little bit more for yourself. It doesn't have any community. It's just an application. And that is a massive difference between those two. So it's quite simple. If you want to do good analysis, then I recommend you to use TradingView. And if you are here just to do executions and quick trades or trade with bots, I recommend you to do MetaTrader 5. So this is my honest review about those two applications. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment them below. And then from now, have a wonderful day. Ciao.